Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and this is Phantasy Star. I have the Japanese version, the Sega Mark III, because it was patched. So without further ado, let's start the game. Oh man, I love the music. Kaminit Residential District. Citizens of Kaminit, this Boys Corps is a reminder for all of you. Defiance of Lord Lashiek will not be tolerated. Nero, what happened? Alisa, my sister, listen to me closely. I don't have long. Rumors we've heard are true. Lashiek has changed, and it goes beyond his military taking over our streets. All of the horrible creatures outside of all of the darkness in our lives, somehow it all traces back to him. I tried to learn how, but I guess I got too close to the truth. There's only one option left now for all of us. Lord Lashiek must be stopped. If he isn't, the darkness he's aligned himself with will claim all of Algol. My mistake was trying to take him on alone. These are dangerous people. You're going to need help. I've heard tales of a warrior, a man named Tylon, who could be an ally. I tried to enlist his help, but he's gone missing. You have to find him, Alisa. Find Tylon and defeat Lashiek. Together you can bring peace back to Algol. Alisa, such a terrible burden. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me for asking this of you, and for leaving you all alone. Nero, your death will not be meaningless. I swear it. I won't let these monsters take our home. Watch over and protect me, big brother. With your spirit by my side, Lashiek doesn't stand a chance. Oh man. Oh man, I miss this game. Oh man, I cannot. No words to describe of this game. Alisa, taking on Lashiek is crazy, but I know how stubborn and determined you can be. I won't waste my breath trying to talk you out of this. Just please be careful. If you ever get hurt, come back here to heal. We've been neighbors a long time, you know. Suelos home is always open for you. Please get some rest, don't overdo it, okay? You will always be welcome here. Thank you. But we need stats, I think. Short sword. Wait. Short sword. Meseta 0. Remain inside the residential area. It is not safe for citizens outside. Thank you very much. Can I talk to you? Thank you. We cannot protect you outside. Stay inside of your homes until the danger has passed. Oh Lord, Lord. Okay. Some dungeons are pitch black. Make sure you always have a light source with you. Wait. Oh, this one. Okay, you're talking about this one. Oh man, I love this one better than the Master System version. Refined music. Found the treasure chest. Do you want to open it? There were 50 meseta outside. I think we need to buy something or we grind. I miss this game so much. Oh man, this is the best game of my childhood. The best RPG I think in a sci-fi in sci-fi genre because of my childhood. I know I'm being biased here, so I'm aware. But yeah, there are some wrongs, but there's some imperfections here and there, but I know for sure this game the positives overwhelms the negatives. So yeah, it's good overall, enjoyable experience. My name is Nikise. Nero asked me to help him find a warrior named Tylon. Are you looking for him too? The last I heard, he was staying in a town called Shion, I think. Yun, maybe he's still near there. Your brother also asked me to keep this Laconian pact safe for him. It's pretty valuable. Maybe it will help you on your journey. Here, please take it. I wish there was more I could do for you. Please be safe out there. Thank you, mate. Okay. You can buy just anything. You can buy just about anything in port towns. I've even got a fake ID once. You self-incrimination. Oh man, dude. Oh well. YouTubers nowadays doing it. Remain in okay. The same. Okay, the same dialogue. I can't leave my home anymore. Lashiek's private police watching my every move. Paminit used to be so nice. How did it come to this? Some dungeons have locked doors. You'll need a dungeon key to open them. Okay. Oh man, the music is far more better than the 8-bit version. The US version. And when I played it, I think no. I didn't play the English version because I don't have a Master System. It was my Sega Mark III. That was the Sega Master System. I only know was the Japanese. This is what I remember. That's why my brain was really filled with nostalgia again. Back in my childhood. I never thought about it though. Do you know about all the planets in the Algol solar system? No. Algol is made up of 3 planets, Palma, Moctavia, and Desores. Each planet has a unique atmosphere, meaning they all have distinct characteristics. Palma, as you know, is a planet of greenery. We are blessed with lush greenlands and forests. Moctavia, endless desert landscape, is harsh but beautiful in its own way. And Desores is a planet of ice, where little life thrives on its frozen surface. All 3 of our beautiful planets are threatened by Lashiek's ambitions. Every day draws us closer to crisis that can never be reversed. Correct. Okay, let's do grinding first before we. Oh man, I am starving again. Okay, I like in the monster. 2 points. Just yes. 3. Wait, let's check first on the Okay. Oh, again. Weapon, I need new weapon. Armor shop, yes. Leather shield, I think. Oh, okay. Okay. For now, let's save. Oh man, 7 saves, I think, or 8. No, that was okay. That was very okay. No, wrong spelling. Okay, save. Okay. No loading. Okay, 7 only. Okay. I thought it was 3 or something. Oh, okay, nope. I'm not going to do that. Let's try the meseta if oh yeah. I need to get back in so I can level up. Okay then. Whew. So I'm back. I just finished eating. Oh, wait. On the portal was weapons, right? If I'm correct. If I'm correct what I heard. Okay. How tool. Okay. Secret thing. Okay. I will buy that later. The EP woods are too confusing to navigate. You need a compass to get through. Okay, thank you very much for that. This is going to sound crazy, but I found a talking animal wandering Medusa's dungeon. I sold it to a trader in Paseo. That little guy was worth a fortune. Oh dear, that was the most foolish thing that you have done. Iala Cave lies on the peninsula southeast of here. Okay, thank you. I used to go spelunking in Naula Cave on the coast north of Baya Marley. But with all these monsters suddenly appearing, I can't go near it anymore. Uh, what can we do? We can't. Yeah, Tylon was here. He said he was heading southwest to slay Medusa. I haven't seen him since. He wasn't alone though. He was traveling with the talking animal. I couldn't believe it. It had a bottle of important looking medicine on its neck. I wonder what it's for. Okay. Welcome to Sion, the busiest port on Palma, or at least it was. With the world the way it is lately, there isn't much trade going on anymore. Oh man, I can trade out loud now in oral way. To the north past the prison is the Pride of Palma, a beautiful knoll called Baya Marley. Too bad nobody can get to it anymore. I think they are talking about the temple or something, right? The only way to open a door sealed with magic is to cast a spell on your own. Okay, thank you. This one. We're not the only intelligent life in the Algol solar system, you know. Octavia has Mostavians and Desoris has the Zorians. Some even speak our language. But love to have a conversation with an actual alien someday. Okay. That was weird of you, sir. Tool shop again. I think tool shop here again. Ano? Okay. Armor. Light suit. Zirconium yan. Okay. Okay. Let's earn some money. Oh, talk about surprise. Okay. 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 Okay then. Wait. Stats. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Okay, 2 experience. Okay, money again. This is going to be a long grind, huh? Okay. This will be like the Dragon Quest 1. Okay. Okay. Level up. Oh, saan? Okay. Let's go back recording. Ow! Stupid me. Okay, wait. Drone shield. Okay. Okay. I know what to do now. Okay. Oh man. What should I do now? Okay. Nope. Okay, nope. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Why do I need to encounter those things though? Okay. Okay. $47 still. Okay. 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 Okay, leveled up. Most important, save. Okay. 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 Okay, how much? Okay, 13. Alright. Nope, don't be stupid. Okay. Wait. Okay. 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 We are going to need some new equipment. But I can take on the enemy. Oh, nope. Let's go back. We need healing. Okay. Okay then. Oh nope. I am not that stupid. Nope. Nope, not that guy. Okay. 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 Nice. Okay, nice. Okay. 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 Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh, yeah, stupid. Like, why am I going to fight too? Oh, level 3? Okay. Okay. Freaking hell. Oh man. Oh, why? Let's go sleep, then let's go to the other side on the southeast. The one I always forgot, huh? Okay. Okay, then let's go. Okay, yeah, this one. Forgot this one. Okay. Okay, nope. Yeah, this one. Did you know there's an underground passage leading west to the Gothic Woods? Supposedly, it's somewhere nearby, but I can't find it. Well, if you know, you know. If you're looking for a port town, Shion is just east of here. Rumors are going around that Medusa has returned to her cave just south of here. They say one look turns you into a living statue. That can't be true, can it? Nobody gets through without a road pass. Okay. Passport, something. The forest is especially dangerous lately. Be careful if you head that way. Our spaceport flies directly to Paseo, the capital of Macabeo. I'd love to go someday. I've never been off planet before. Welcome to Parolit Residential District. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, iron sword for now. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's sell the short sword, I think. Okay. No. Sell, please. Short sword. $45 immediately. Yes. Okay, at least we have the iron sword. Okay. I need to get used to the weapons, to the shops here, especially on the weapon ones, that on what focus they are. Okay. Okay. Nice. Oh shh. Okay, nice. Man, I became invincible. Heavy hitters on that. Oof. Oh, what the? What's this? Okay, thank you, Jed. Okay, nice.
Ang buting-buting ka naman. Buting-buting mo dyan.
Their life, not mine. Okay. 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 Nice. Okay, nice. Oh. Oh man, I love that. 121 immediately. I should get the Zirconian shield, I think. Ow. Dang it. Ow. Stupid me. Such. Oh man. Okay. A light suit, so I can a little, I know. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay, nice. That was stupid. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Kill the guy. Okay, we will buy the secret thing. Yes. I don't know who you think you are, but we don't sell stuff like that here. Forget it. Oh, really? What? Give it up, will ya? I already told you we're a legitimate business. We're a legitimate business here. Get out of my store. To my tool shop. You're not going to give up, are you? Fine, just take it. One road pass signed and certified, but you didn't get this from me, understand? Okay. 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 Let's go to Paseo, I think. Ay, on the Motavia in those deserts. Yes. Then get the cat, the talking cat. I don't know what was called the beast of that guy here in this world, but there's some cat man. Okay. Okay, go on through. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Are you here to apply for passport? No. Oh, okay then. The Governor General rules all of Motavia from his office in Paseo. The Governor General rules all of Motavia from his office in Paseo. Okay. Okay. Ever been to Gothic? Back in the old days, ships like this were built in its laboratory. Really? Okay. Let's get the kid first. Got something. Welcome to Palma Spaceport. All ships travel one way to Paseo, the capital of Motavia. Okay. For now, let's go to that place. Do you have a passport? Yes. Well, let's see it. Oh, passport. Oh, okay, passport. Okay. Let's apply for a passport then. Yes. I'm required by law to ask you a series of questions. Have you ever been convicted of a crime? No. are suffering from an illness may be contagious to other passengers. Though there's a handling fee of 100 meseta. Are you willing to pay? Yes. Looks like you don't have enough money. Please come back later. Okay. Let's grind. Okay. At least the road pass at least I can go back again. Looping there. Just need 100, so how much my money? 57. Alright. Before the nonsense purchase. What do I do need that? Okay. Wait, let's try to cheat the system, I think. The meseta. Okay. Save for now. I'm just experimenting. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. The meseta was good. Okay. Oh! Okay, I just cheated on the money side. Okay. Okay, there's something I can hit it a little bit on it. Okay, only the money. This is an old JRPG, so money is very scarce here. Nice. Okay, wait, let's go to the wait, how much money do I have now? Okay, 200. In no time I can, let's get the cut first before we go to the back here. So we need that guy on the southwest. That was wrong. Okay. Yes. Okay. No. Yes. Great. Here's your passport. Be sure to retain possession of it at all times. Next in line. Thank you. So I can go with the party now. Yes. Okay, go on through. I think here is a non-stop flight to Batavia. Getting on? Yes. Oh man, I love the sound effects. This is far more better than the original one. The US one, or the American one. Okay, this is far more better. Okay. Paseo. Okay. This is Paseo, the only spaceport on Maltavia. It's antlion breeding season. Be careful out there. They get vicious. Okay, got it. I hear there's a cage shop in Naula Cave on Palma. I wonder if it's get any business in a cave like that. I think I can get the okay, go on through. Okay. Okay. Nope. Okay. Ever seen a talking animal before? I got one here. Real rare. Might be the only one. 1 billion meseta, and it's yours. How about it? No? That's too bad. Hold on now. Is that a Laconian cat? How about a trade? The pat for the fur ball? Yes. I hate to see the little guy go, but I can toss up a trade like this. Take good care of him. Okay. Hello. I guess we're companions now, huh? I'm Alisa. What's your name? Meow. Hello, Meow. I'm looking for a man named Tylon. Rumor has it he was traveling with a talking animal. I don't suppose that was you. Tylon got turned to stone trying to slay Medusa. We can heal him with this medicine, but I can't open the lid. I think I can manage that. Come on, let's go help him. Okay, let's talk to the people first. This is Paseo Motavis, capital city. There's no way to get past the Antares on foot, but I've heard there's another way. What another way though? Okay, at least we've got the Governor General has got a real sweet tooth. Okay, I don't care about him. Oh yeah, this is where the king lives, right? The emperor? King or emperor. You need to bring a gift if you are going to meet with the Governor General. Okay. Mahal Cave is located in the mountains of North Paseo. They are intelligent monsters, but they speak a different language than ours. Even the Governor General is on bad terms with the Sheikh. You really think so? Do you have a passport? Yes. Okay, gone through. Oh yeah, passport because of the. Okay. The shuttle is heading for Palma, getting on. Yes. Okay. Let's see some water. Yes, go on through. Okay, wait, see. Yes. Yeah. There you go. Welcome to Parma Spaceport. All ships travel one way to Paseo, capital of Octavia. Yeah, here. Okay, go on through. He just sits. Ay, wait, let me heal myself first before we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. Oh man. Yes. Meow. 40, yeah. Okay. 40 needs to meow. To meow. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everybody. And thank you for watching. God bless you all, and bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know